Welcome to my Excel Vba channel. Hello friend, how are you all? First of all, I am sorry. I have been busy for a while, so I haven't been able to make a tutorial. Today I discuss about student fee management system software in Excel. This software future. This add button, click now add button, the new student entry, registration details, parents details and fee details. Back button, save button and payment add from the date, amount and narration. Print button, save button. Okay, return and this column view. Just one click and the list total 15 column. Select column and column view, click the view display and we will discuss this software step by step so that you can learn manually. I will try that. The project will be big, so I will build it step by step, and at the end of the final step I will provide this download link. First, we will open an Excel workbook. Here we will use 3 sheets. Example sheet 1, name student, number 2, name fee and sheet 3. Number 1 sheet name, I will arrange the student format. Column A to column O. I will take a total 15 column. Column number 1, REG ID. Column number 2, financial year. Column number 3, class. Column number 4, student name. Column number 5, others name. Column number 6, address. Column number 6, contact. Column number 8, email. Column number 9, date of birth, DOB. Column number 10, admission fee. Column number 11, activity fee. Column number 12, annual fee. Column number 13, tuition fee. Column number 14, transport fee. And column number 15, picture. Student sheet format is done. I will format sheet number 2, pay. Total 6 column will be taken. Column number 1, column number 1, receipt ID and registration number. Column number 2, registration number. Column number 3, FY, financial year. Column number 4, amount. Column number 5, date. Column number 6, narration. Fee sheet format is done. I will format sheet 3. Here we will design a form of payment receipt. Example, the header Excel Vba BD Modern School payment receipt session 2024 by 25. Student ID, receipt number, receipt date, student name, class, admission fee, activity fee, annual fee, tuition fee, transport fee, total amount in what, total amount, balance, student copy, and the left side school copy. This manually format I will discuss coding in the next tutorial. Ending here today with an invitation towards the next tutorial.